Hi, Chris here. I've opened up a new drawing, but at the moment I haven't saved it, but it's going to be of a composite beam. And what we're going to do is look at drawing in isometric. So let's have a go. If we come down here, pick on the little arrow, pick on object snap settings, you'll notice in here there's a thing called snap and grid. If I pick on that, down here in the snap type it says isometric snap. At the moment it's on rectangular snap, but I'm going to change it to isometric snap. Say OK, and you'll notice across here is no longer at right angles, and if I hit the F5 key it says isoplane top, isoplane right, isoplane left. So we'll go around to the right and we'll draw the side of this beam. So I'll pick on a line, pick on the screen, and making sure that ortho's on, and it says ortho. I'll drag the mouse out to the right, type in the length, which is 560, hit enter, and with my wheelie mouse I just pan it out, so wheel it out and I'll pan it over, and then I'll move the mouse straight up, and I'll type in 50, hit enter, enter again to finish. If I right hand click repeat line, pick on the end, come plumb up, type in 50, enter, enter to finish. Right hand click, pick on repeat line, and from the midpoint, if I go plumb up 100, enter, move the mouse to the right, type in 50, enter, go to the end point, enter, and then right hand click repeat line, start there, move the mouse to the left, type in 50, enter, go to the end point, enter. I've started to draw my beam. I could then erase that middle line, because this beam is 100mm by 100mm flat on it. So if I hit F5, now I'm in the in the left plane. So if I pick on line and pick on there and move in to the left and type in 100, enter, enter to finish, and we're going to this time do a copy and select the object, select that object, enter, and we're going to copy it from that end point to that end point, and I'll do multiple copies to that end point, to that end point. Come on, that end point, to that end point, and escape. And while we're in copy, we might as well copy that line, that line, that line, that line, that line, enter. We're going to copy them from that end point, and we're going to copy them to that end point and escape. And there's one line missing, line from that end point to that end point, escape. And there you see we've drawn our isometric beam. Pretty simple. So we'll go save, and I've made a folder in my drive called AutoCAD 15, and instead of drawing 2 I'm going to call this Composite, or if you're American it'll be Composite beam, and it's a drawing, so I'll say save.